even though I got it, it's much better. It is bent at certain spots, so it become very hard to crank it at certain spots. But here is a problem, with the major problem with the chassis, or even with the trailers. When you hook to it, you have to hook to it along the longitudinal axis. You have to hook to it, couple it this direction. Because as you see, you have a web here and a web here. That web prevents that landing gear or dolly of bending this way. So it's okay to couple it this way. If you couple it with an angle, this way, this is an angle, you rupture, you break. That's easy to break. It's easy to break any of these nuts. You break it and it tilts to the side and it collapses to the ground. That is if you push, if you look carefully the way I am hooking to it, if you come this way along what you call it, along the axis, and you couple with it, you are going to have a shear stress on 5 of these, 6 of them. That is 5 and 1 in the bottom. And those 5 here and 5 here, the stern, they can push, they can prevent that landing gear from collapsing. But if you come with an angle, if you try to couple with an angle, you are not going to have this support. You are not going to have the other support on the other side. And this thing will be busted easily because you have uneven shearing and bushing. They can take a shear which means you try to cut it. So you push this way, it's okay. If you push this way, you couple, or you pull this way, it's okay, because you are not stripping these nuts out. You are pushing this frame against that frame, and the thickness of the bolt can take a lot of shear stress. But if you come with an angle this way, you are going to push that nut out, strip. That's very easy to strip because you are only stripping here no more than 3 millimeter. The 3 millimeter can be crushed easily if you push this way. But if you push this way, you have more than, no less than at least a centimeter or more, or half an inch. This is half an inch bolt. This way is pushing along the axis does not do a lot of damage. Everything will do damage, of course. Every impact will do damage, but you reduce the damage. Look at that. Even that is loosened because of the impact.